Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a really neat trick, how to add automatically updating YouTube thumbnails right inside your Google Sheets. If you've ever managed a content calendar or a list of your favorite YouTube videos in a spreadsheet, you know how helpful it would be to see the video thumbnail at a glance rather than just a bunch of plain links. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set it up, and trust me, it's easier than you might think. So let's dive right in. Suppose you have a list of YouTube links. Maybe you've got 3 to start with placed neatly into column B of your sheet starting from cell B2. It doesn't matter if they're links you copied directly from YouTube as long as they're the proper video URLs. Don't worry about extra parameters or long URLs. The formula I'll show you is smart enough to find the video ID. Now click into cell C2 right next to your first YouTube link. Here you're going to add a formula that does all the work for you. Here's the formula you'll use. Equals array formula if b2b equals image https://m youtube.com/roman6/ and regex extract b2b v equals and plus and /hq default jpg. I know at first glance that's a mouthful, but hang with me. The magic comes from how it takes each link and, almost like a little robot assistant, pulls out the correct thumbnail without you doing any manual copy-pasting. Let's break it down together, because understanding what's going on will help you if you ever want to adapt the formula later. First, that big ARROF formula part at the beginning, what it does is apply the formula to every row in your list all at once. Without it, you'd have to painstakingly drag the formula down for each video, which gets tedious really fast if you're working with dozens or even hundreds of links. Next, there's the gentle check of if b2b equals. This just means the formula will skip any blank cells, so you won't get weird errors or empty image boxes where there isn't a link. It's a small touch, but it keeps your sheet looking clean and professional. Now for the core regex extract b2b v equals and plus. This part is like the detective of the formula. What it's doing is scanning your links for the video ID, which is that unique string of letters and numbers that comes after v equals in every YouTube URL. For example, in https://www.youtube.com/watch v equals dqw4w9wgxcq, it pulls out dqw4w9wgxcq. It's smart enough to stop if there's an extra and with other parameters tacked on at the end, so you don't have to worry about messy URLs. Then it stitches that ID right into the path that YouTube uses for thumbnail images. https://youtube.com/roman6/video/hq default jpg. So using our example, the full link to the thumbnail image would be https://youtube.com/roman6/dqw4w9wgxcq/hq default jpg. Finally, there's image. This is what brings the thumbnail to life in your spreadsheet, turning that image URL into an actual picture you can see, no downloading or inserting images one by one required. And just like that, your sheet updates in real time. Anytime you add a new video link to column B, a lovely thumbnail pops up right next to it in column C. Try pasting in a few more links and watch the images show up. It feels a bit like magic. So that's it, one powerful formula, lots of time saved, and a spreadsheet that looks a lot more visual and fun. If you found this tip helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you want to see more Google Sheets hacks. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more smart workflow tutorials. See you in the next one.